are red and juicy too. Great for me and great for you. Bananas are yellow, long and sweet, a perfect snack, a healthy treat. Oranges round with vitamin C, peel and eat them happily. Grapes come purple, green or red, tasty bunches we can shred. Mango is golden, soft and bright, a summer fruit that feels just right. Strawberries red with seeds on top, dip in cream, you just can't stop. Pineapple spiky, yellow delight, tropical flavor, such a bite. Watermelons big with juicy cheer, perfect for a picnic near. Fruits are yummy, fresh and fun, good for all, yes, everyone.